Welcome back to today's class. Our task today is to see how we can simplify this nice exponential equation. A lot of students are stuck here. They don't know where to go. But watch the trick. Alright, this is what we are going to do. First of all, expand this. 6 here, there's nothing to say we can raise 6 raised to the power of something. No, we can only expand this 6. There's nothing that you raise to the power to have 6. Right? So from here, let's expand this 6. Solution. If we expand this 6, we know that this is what 2 times 3 all to power x plus, here let's expand this 9 by saying 3 times 3 all to power x, all divided by, let's expand this by saying 2 times 5 all to power x plus, let's expand this by saying 3 times 5 all to power x equals, we can divide this. So if 2 going to 50 is 25, 2 going to 0 is 0, 2 going to 10, 5, 2 going to 8, 4. So we have 250 all over what? 54. So that's the first step. Now let's go to the next step. Remember, if you have a multiplied by b all to power 2, this equals a squared b squared. Why? The law states that different factors in bracket raised to a certain power, the power is distributed over the factors in the bracket. So clearly you can see that these factors, they are not the same. So they are different factors raised to a certain power, the power is distributed. Clearly you can see that. So different factors, they are going to be distributed. So if we distribute them, we have 2 to power x times 3 to power x plus 3 to power x times 3 to power x, all divided by 2 to power x times 5 to power x plus 3 to power x times 5 to power x equals, clearly we can also reduce this. So if 2 going to 2, we have 1, 2 going to here, we have 25, 2 going to here, we have 27. So this is 125 all divided by what? 27. Alright, so that is the first step. What next are we doing? Clearly from here we know that we have 2 to power x, 3 to power x. 3 to power x here is common, so factorize one of it. The denominator 5 to power x is common, factorize one of it. So if we do that, we'll have that 3 to power x into bracket 2 to power x plus 3 to power x, all divided by 5 to power x, 5 to power x into bracket 2 to power x plus 3 to power x. Why are we doing this? 3 to power x times 2 to power x gives us 2 to power x times 3 to power x. 3 to power x times 3 to power x gives us 3 to power x times 3 to power x. 5 to power x times 2 to power x gives us 2 to power x times 5 to power x. 5 to power x times 3 to power x gives us 3 to power x times 5 to power x. Alright, so from here, this equals, remember, 5 raised to the power of 3 is 1 to 5. So here becomes 5 to power 3 all divided by 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So that is it. Let's proceed. So from here, if we continue from here, we'll have that. Please, if you have not followed this channel, follow this channel for more interesting programs like this. And don't forget to leave a comment. Alright, from here, what do we do? Clearly, you can see that. Let me clean question. So clearly, you can see that this one here can cancel out this one. And what do we have? We have what we have left, 3 to power x divided by 3 to power 5 to power x, 3 to power x divided by 5 to power x equals what? 5 to power 3 all over 3 to power 3. Alright, now remember this law of indices that says that if we have a to power k all over b to power k, this equals a over b all to power k. What does the law state? The law states that different factors in bracket raised to a certain power, the power is distributed over the factors in the bracket. So you can see different factors in bracket raised to a certain power, the power is shared over the factors in the bracket. Alright, so but this power here can be shared like this. We can cover it and take the power as 1. So clearly the power is already shared. Let's take it as 1. So if we take it as 1, it becomes 3 all over 5 all to power x equals 5 all over 3 all to power 3. Alright, so from here, what do we do? They are not the same, so what do we do? Let's take the inverse of it. If we take the inverse of it, this positive 3 here becomes negative. So this becomes 3 all over 5 all to power x equals 3 all over 5 raised to the power of negative 3. So this is the negative index. The positive index is this. So we change it so we can make the two bases the same. All right, so what happened? From exponential law of indices, we have a to power m equals a to power m. Equal base as equal what? Exponent. So m equals m. So clearly what happened here? Base can cancel out this and our x equals negative 3. And this is the right answer. Do well to like this video, comment, and share this video to your friends. And in my bio, you will see my YouTube channel. Do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel and promote the channel. And remember, mathematics is not a sport, no sports, no pain, no gain. See you in the next video.